Wait.
Let's see if this still works.
Wait. What? Wait. Wait. Wait, what? I got banned? Wait, 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 wait. Wait, what? Wait. Wait, wait, wait. 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 Wait, wait, what wait. Wait, 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 wait. Look, Roblox determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of the terms of use. Reviewed 3:31 at 2:35 p.m. So that was reasons, cheats, and egg. Wait, chat. I'm actually serious. Wait, it's not April Fool's. Look, it's not. Look, Roblox. It's not April Fool's. Wait, what? I don't have a group role named Watermelon Hacker Girl. What does that mean? Bro, Bella? Wait! Did Bella get me banned? Wait! Oh my god, you're right. You're right. I let Bella use my account and she made a role in my group called Watermelon Hacker Girl. Wait! No. Wait. Wait, where's it at? Wait, where's the video where she hacks me? Here it is. Wait, no, dude. Wait, where is she? Let me find the spot where she goes into my group. Here it is right here. She went into my group. Wait, look.
Giving myself an awesome unique rank. Okay, I'm gonna configure the group and we're gonna go roles and I'm gonna make a new one. I'm thinking, what the heck should I be called? Watermelon Hacker Girl. Oh my god, wait. I hope I don't get reported or anything. I hacked you.
You got reported. Yep, you got reported.
And I'm gonna be ranking myself. There we go, guys. Look how cool I am. I'm a legend. Okay, so my next
Banned for 1 day. Group role Watermelon Hacker Girl. Bella. Oh my god. Where I gotta call Bella. Wait. Bella. You got me banned on Roblox. Oh my god. Wait, I gotta take a screenshot. No. Wait. Look. OMG, I can't believe. Dude, chat. Look. Oh my god. You got me banned on Roblox. Bro, wait. It's not Bella's fault. Well, it is her fault, but she didn't do it intentionally. Wait, bro. I'm not gonna be able to play the Doors update. I'm not gonna be able to play the Doors update. Bro, no, on Easter? They banned me on Easter? No, we gotta tweet this. Chat, what the heck? My birthday was yesterday, Casey. Happy birthday. Yo, Judah, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, Judah. Thank you very much. Oh, no. Okay, hold on. I gotta tweet this. Wait. Let me take a screenshot. No way right now, dude. Wait, so they thought that by having a name in my group called Watermelon Hacker Girl that I was cheating, that I was hacking just because I had a name in my group.
Oh, okay, it's skyrocketed. I sold out my entire collection in under 2 minutes. It's literally that easy to start your own business on Shopify. Just go to shopify.com and open your online store today.
It's so easy to knock your socks off.
Don't you feel irked when someone deletes a WhatsApp message before you can read it? Now, you have the power to quench your curiosity by simply installing the What's Deleted app for Android. The What's Deleted app magically recovers all deleted WhatsApp chat messages and media attachments automatically by scanning your device notifications. Plus, the app notifies you every time a message is deleted and recovered. What's more, the built-in Status Saver feature lets you download and share your favorite WhatsApp status with a single tap. With over 500,000 downloads globally and an average rating of 4.3 stars, simply head to Google Play Store to install the What's Deleted app today.
Group called Watermelon Hacker Girl. Are you serious? That's crazy. Hold on. My Easter is ruined. my Easter is ruined. At iBella.